I'm really glad to meet you, ma'am. And my question is, as OHCHR is coping with a lot of difficult and important issues related to human rights, and what qualifications or competence do you think is important to cope with those issues properly?
Well, so I think there are two answers to that question. I think there's something at the organizational level. So for OHCHR in particular, it's of course to have the right understanding of what's happening, the right skills and leadership. But probably most of all, what's important is courage as an organization and also as individuals. Sometimes that means questioning things that governments are doing, for example, in a polite way, in a diplomatic way, but to make sure that even messages that sometimes are not going to be popular are brought out because they are right. Standing up to those forces that are not human rights friendly can be very difficult, but it's also very important that someone does it, and it should be, I think, the human rights organization within the UN. And then on the individual level, the answer is somehow the same, because this courage that one has to have as an organization within the UN, it's based on the courage of individuals, both of the leaders of the organization and the High Commissioner for Human Rights, but also as individuals and as representatives, those of us working at the country level. So sometimes we have to explain to the people we work with that what you are saying is actually doesn't conform to human rights. There are many people who will defend human rights broadly, yet when you speak about a particular group, they will say, oh, no, but that's different. So we try to, also be polite and be nice, but also to make sure that people understand that you cannot be selective about your human rights. If you promote human rights, it has to be for everyone, and it has to be all the time, and it has to be every right. So I think these are the important things.
Thanks for your response.